related to the 1.2. So going to start with the first example. We are having this example number 5. Consider the number 4 to the power n, where n is a natural number. Check whether there is any value of n for which 4 to the power n ends with the digit 0. Now we know that for ending the digit as 0, the number would be divisible by 5. So we are going to write here first of all, the number we are having is the 4 to the power n. This one we are having. Now this one where n to be unit digit as 0, it would be divisible by 5. Now if I am going to find the factors of 4, so I can write this one as 2 multiplied by 2, 2 2s are 4, and this one we are having power to the n. In any factor, this one we are not having the prime factor that are divisible by 5, or any number that is divisible by 5. So this one we are not having here. So we are going to write here, it is not possible. Right here, this is not possible for 4 to the power n ends with the digit 0. So this one we are having the example number 5, in which we have to prove that 4 to the power ends with the digit 0 and it is not possible. Now comes to the next one. Now comes the next example. This one we are having the example number 6. In this one we have to find LCM and the HCF of 6 and 20 by the prime factorization method. So we have to find the LCM and the HCF of this one. So for that one, first of all we have to find the factors of the number we are having. The first number we are having is the 6 and the second we are having 20. First of all I am going to find the prime factors of this one. So I am going to write here 2 2s are 4. This one we are having, no, I am going to write here 2 3s are 6. So this one we are having prime factors of the 6. Now I am going to find the prime factors of 20. So I am going to write here 2 2s are 4 and 4 5s are 20. So this one we are having the prime factors of the 20. Now we know that for finding the HCF, we have to write here HCF of 6 and 20. So the number should be the product of the smallest power of each common product of the smallest power of each common prime factor in the numbers. So all of them are having the power. This one we are having 2, we are having as the power 2, because we are having 2 as the 2 times, multiplied by 5 as 1 time. So this one we are having. Now we have to find the HCF, and we have given that the product of the smallest power of each common prime factor is the number. So the smallest power we are having of the, in this case the smallest power we are having of the 1, of the 2. So the smallest power we are, first of all we have to find the common prime factor. So common prime factor we are having is the 2, and the smallest power we are having is the 1. So the HCF for 6 and 2 will have, 6 and 20 will have as equal to the 2. So this one we are having the HCF of the 6 and 20 as the power 1. Now we have to find the LCM of 6 and 20, and this one will have as equal to the product of greatest power of each prime factor involved in the numbers. So first of all, we have to find the greatest power. So the greatest power we are having here is in this case, the greatest power we are having is the 1 for both of them, and this one the greatest power we are having is the 2, and in this one we are having is the 5 to the power 1. Now product of the greatest power of each prime number. So the greatest power we are having in this case, the greatest power we are having is the 2 to the power 2. So I'm going to write here 2 to the power 2 multiply the greatest power we are having is the 3 to the power 1, and here we are having is the 5 to the power 1. Now we're going to solve this one. 2 2s are 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. So we're going to multiply this one. So this one we are having as equal to the 60, or we can write this one as the LCM of the 6 and 20. So this one we are having as equal to the 60. So the HCF we are having is the 2 and LCM we are having is the 60. So with this one we have completed example number 6. Now comes to the next one. Now comes to the next example, example number 7. Find the HCF of 96 and 404 by the prime factorization method. So first of all, we are going to write the factors, the prime factors. So we're going to find it. First of all, we're going to find the factors of 96. So 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, and 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, and 3 1s are 3. So we are having here the factors 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 2 to the power 5 multiplied by 3. These are the prime factors we are having of the 96. Now we are going to find the factors of 404. So this one we are having 2 1s are 2, 0, 2 1s are, sorry, 2 2s are 4, 0, 2 2s are 4. Now 2 1s are 2, 0 and 2 1s are 2. So for the 404, the prime factors we are having is the 1 and 2, 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 101. Now we have to find the HCF. Now for finding the HCF, first of all we have to find the common factor. So common factor between both of them we are having is the 2. Now we have to find the smallest power. So this one we are having 5 and this one we are having is the 2. So the smallest power we are having is the 2. So the HCF we are having 2 multiplied by 2, 2 2s are 4. Now comes to the LCM. Now first of all we have to write all the factors we are having. First one we are having is the 2, second one we are having is the 3, and the third one we are having is the 101. Now we have to write the greatest power of all of them. So for the 2, the greatest power we are having is the 5. For the 3, the greatest power we are having is the 1, and 101, the greatest power we are having is the 1. Now we are going to solve this one. Now we are having 2 to the power 5. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. Multiply by 3, multiply by 101. Now 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, multiply by 101. Now we are going to multiply this one. So this one is the 6 1s are 6, 0, 6 1s are 6. Now 9 1s are 9, 0, 9 1s are 9. So 6 9 6 9. So the LCM we are having is the 9696. This one we are having is the LCM, and this one we are having is the HCF. So we have to find the LCM and the HCF. We have find it. Now we have to understand this thing that for the HCF we should have the common factor and the smallest power. I'm going to write here, for the HCF we should have common factor with smallest power, and for LCM we should have each prime factor with greatest power. So by this one we can find the HCF and the LCM. So this one we are having the example number 7. Now comes to the next one. Now consider next one, example number 8. Find the HCF and the LCM of 6, 72 and 120. This one we are having 6, 72 and 120 using the prime factorization method. So first of all we have to find the factors. So I'm going to write here for the 6 we can write here 2 3s are 6 and the power we are having is the 1. Now we have to find the prime factors of 72. So we're going to find this one. 2 3s are 6, remainder 1, 2 6s are 12. 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Now I'm going to write the factors of 72. We are having 2 to the power 1, 2 and 3 and 3 to the power 1 and 2. Now we have to find the prime factors of 120. So I'm going to find this one. 2 6s are 12 and 0. 2 3s are 6, 0. 2 1s are 2, remainder 1, 2 5s are 10 and 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. Now I'm going to write here, we are having the factors 2 to the power 1, 2 and 3 and 3 to the power 1 and 5 to the power 1. This one we are having the prime factors of the 120. Now we are going to write for finding the HCF. First of all, we have to find the HCF of 6, 72 and 120. So for finding the HCF, we know that the common one. So first of all, we have to find the common factors of between 3 of them, and this one we are having is the 2 and 3. Now we have to find the smallest power. So the smallest power of 2 we are having is the 1 and the smallest power of 3 we are having is the 1. So the HCF we are having is the 2 multiplied by 3 and this one we are having is the 6. So the HCF of 6, 72 and 120 we are having as equal to the 6. Now we have to find the LCM of 6, 72 and 120. Now for that one, first of all we are going to write the each factor we are having. This one we are having 2, 3 and 5. So I am going to write here 2, 3 and 5. Now we have to write the highest power of each of them. So the highest power of 2 we are having is the 3. Highest power of 3 we are having is the 2. And highest power of 5 we are having is the 1. Now we are going to solve this one. So this one we are having 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 3 3s are 9 multiplied by 5. Now we are going to multiply this one. 8 9s are 72 multiplied by 5. Now 5 2s are 10, carry 1. 5 7s are 35 and 1, 36. So this one we are having is the 360. So the LCM we are having is this 360 and the HCF we are having is the 6. This one and this one. So we have to find the HCF and LCM. We have to find this one with the prime factorization method. So this one we are having the last example that is related to the exercise 1.1. In the next video we are going to start with the exercise 1.2. So this is the last example we are having that is related to the exercise 1.2. In the next, so this one we are having is the last example that is related to the exercise 1.2. In the next video we are going to start with the exercise 1.2.